Guys, I'm back with a OnePlus 7T video, and as you guys are well aware by the buzz that Call of Duty has created, so for the sake of that buzz, today I am going to play Call of Duty in this smartphone. So let's see how does it performs. Before that, let me tell you the specs of this phone. It has a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is built on 7nm. It's the fastest and most efficient processor that Qualcomm has to offer right now. And combining that, it has Adreno 640 GPU, which is also a very fast GPU. With that, it has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.0 storage and 3800 mAh battery. And to drain that, we have a 90Hz Super AMOLED 6.55 inches of fluid display. It's a 90Hz display, so it's gonna suck the battery a lot. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir, and this is the Call of Duty test with the battery drain. So let's begin. A lot of you guys are demanding benchmark result of this phone, so I have did some benchmark. I have did the Antutu benchmark. So as you see, the Antutu benchmark result is 3,95,000. And then moving to the 3D mark, I have saved the benchmark by screenshotting them. So as you see, this is the Ice Storm Extreme benchmark. As you see, FPS is on 60 almost. Then we have Slingshot Extreme, and this scores 6,200. Then after that, we have the Geekbench result. The single core Geekbench score is 787, and the multi-core score is 2,770. Not bad actually. So yeah, these were benchmark results, guys. And guys, now let's play Call of Duty and let's see how it handles. And by the way, I'm gonna use this battery temperature app known as battery temperature to measure the battery temperature basically, and the current battery temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, and for the sake of the information, the battery percentage is 100. By the way, I am in an air conditioner environment, so please do mind that too. With that said, let's begin. Let's open the Call of Duty. See, there are some weird thing going on the sides. Okay, so we are online. We have multiplayer. Let's play multiplayer game. By the way, the primary speaker is over here, and we have the secondary speaker over here, which is the earpiece. Speakers volume and all is pretty amazing. So as you see guys, we are on very high and the frame rates is on max. So yeah, let's go. Wow. I would like to get some movement. Well, wow, the gameplay looks pretty fantastic, guys. As you see, even the performance seems pretty amazing. There are no frame drops that I've seen so far. Oh my god, I am dead. Well, this game is pretty hard. Oh. Okay, invincible. Okay, we won. That's great. So guys, this was the first game that I've played, and as you see, we won. Okay, I have to go to level 7 to open the battle royale, that PUBG type of thing. And till now, let's play multiplayer. Well, I am on a cruise, I guess. Yeah, this seems like a cruise. Wow. Wow, look at the graphics, guys. Look at the graphics. It looks pretty insane. No one is here. Oh my god, he killed me in a first attempt.
It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead.
Well, I killed both of them. This is the third one I've killed. Oh. Oh, okay, he killed me. Well done, bro. Well done. Man, it's amazing. Wow, especially the graphics and this OnePlus 70 performs really, really good. Impressive.
Enemy in sight.
Oh yeah.
Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Changing mag! Killer drone on standby.
Oh, okay, they killed me. Okay, again I'm dead. Oh my god, but this game is a hell lot of fun, guys. Oh my god. I'm on a dying spree. We have reached 40. Okay, I'm dead. Okay. Just 2. Okay, I'm dead. Only one person is left to kill. And then we will win. Okay, we won. As you see, guys, we won. We won this match too. Final kill cam. Boom. And this is how we won. Okay, wow. The performance was just amazing. This device does get warm, like more than warm over here. But yeah, we won. And I am on the top, as always. I've killed multiple people, so yeah. So this was the gameplay, guys, of that Call of Duty. And as you see, the battery temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. And as you see over here, the battery drop is just 6%. I mean, it's a 90 Hz display, so I am expecting the battery drop to be this drastic. But yeah, 6% battery has dropped and the current battery percentage is 94. So overall experience with this Call of Duty is amazing, guys. I have to say the gameplay of this Call of Duty in this OnePlus 7T is just amazing, even at the highest graphic quality possible. So if you are a Call of Duty player and you'd like to play some Call of Duty or some high-end games in this phone, you can definitely purchase this device. So yeah, guys, this was the Call of Duty test of OnePlus 7T, and I have to say I am impressed with the OnePlus 7T. It's a great phone, by the way. So if you wanna purchase it, I can leave the link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. And guys, I'm gonna make another video called PUBG on OnePlus 7T, and I'm gonna test the PUBG performance on this phone. So if you wanna see that, I will leave that video in the card. You can go and check that out. That's also gonna be a very amazing video. And also I'm gonna play a lot of high-end games in this phone, and that video will also be linked in the I button, so you can go and check those videos out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends. So guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos on this channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.